What kind of problem is this, eh? The same place, the same stubbornness that made him be in this situation is the same place he carried that his ill health to. How much is this money that this man is looking? Jesus. Anyway, let me get to the house first. What do you want to buy? What do you want? Recharge card. Okay, go next. Eh? MTN 500. But this is 800. Or you want another one? MTN 500 and which one? And MTN 200. And Kongwawere is 700, yeah? Anayo, what have I done to you? Why are you bent on frustrating my life like this? Is it a crime that I fell in love with you? What is it with you and not taking advice from your wife? If you had listened to me concerning your business, I'm sure we would not be in this dungeon. Now you have picked up a job that I don't think is right for you. You would not listen. Things that would affect me and my children. You want to do a job that at the end of the day now I'll be the one that will suffer for it. Well, what have I done?
You will not understand.
I will not understand what? Biko Guam.
That I am an Igbo man. Yes. An Igbo man cannot sit down, fold his hands and watch his wife cater for the family. It's not done. We are very industrious. It's not done. It doesn't flow in our vein. Understand this and no peace. Okay? I will go out there and hustle. I'll make 4,000 naira in a day. 4,000 in a day. Eh? And I save it minus my transport and feeding. No. If I make 4,000 and save it every day, do you know what that means? It means I have succeeded in saving 40,000 naira in 10 days. Do you know what 40,000 will do for us in 10 days? Do you know?
Do you know what that job will do to you? Have you not sat down to think about it, Anayo? We're talking about waist pain, chest pain, and what's not. Eh? Why don't you sit down and think about what I'm telling you this? Listen, I don't want to suffer for this, oh. I don't want to.
Listen to me. All these things you are counting, chest pain, back pain, waist pain, whatever it is normal. You hear me? It is normal. It is normal for anyone who starts this kind of hustle to have bodily pains all over. But do you know what? If I persist, the body will get used to the pains and I won't be having those pains anymore. No. Do you hear me? So chill. Please. I feel for you. You can't be taking care of this family all by yourself. Just allow me, okay? Allow me. Let me work and support you. Eh? The load will be too much on your shoulders. Okay? Baby?
Biko happy good marker. Just leave me alone first.
I don't know I'm a man. She doesn't. Oh my God. It's okay. No problem. No problem. Let's just do it, eh? Let's do it. Allow me to I'm telling you the truth. There is nothing like sitting beside you in this shop, selling together.
What do you mean selling together? Okay, go out there and go and make money, go and hustle, and now see me selling together.
I'm telling you the moment I enjoy most. Would you even praise me for once?
Okay.
Eh?
You have tried. President General among the nation. Sorry.
Oh God.
Oh
you never seen service fee. Hey. Okay. Talking about going out there to hustle. I'll be looking for the site now. And there's a site we are working. The site engineer does not like workers coming to site late. So let me hurry up.
It's better you leave now.
No problem, yeah.
But please be very careful. Don't come back and start complaining of back pain and headache. Take care of yourself. So if you leave my husband alone. Madam, are you talking to me? Is there any other person? Obviously, I'm talking to you. Is your name Afi? Ashawo? Jesus. You leave your miserable husband and you go after my husband. Madam, people don't understand. I don't understand. People don't know. Who is this your husband? How can you come to my shop and accuse me of going after you? I don't even know who you are talking about. Who is this husband of yours? You can pretend all I care because your husband is here. Leave my husband again. Stick to your poor husband. I will not warn you again. Because the next time I'll come back to this shop, either mind up in the hospital or the mortuary.
Leave her alone.
Nobody more. Honey, please, I don't know what she's talking about here. I don't know how. I've never seen this woman in my life. I don't know who my husband is. I swear to God, I don't know how. I don't know her. You better, honey, I don't know her. I don't know who the woman is now. Madam, you better come back here. Come back here. Come and sort this woman. Look what more. I don't know who her husband is. Honey, I don't. Hey, Jesus. Hey, what kind of problem is this? How do I start explaining this to Chireo? I hope this is not Noah's wife. Ike said that Noah is a single Yahoo boy, so he couldn't have been married now, eh? So where did this daughter of Lucifer come from? I need to get to the root of this matter. Madam, if you know who you are, you better come here. Come here, come and tell my husband I don't know who you are. Where did you come from to come and start accusing me of sleeping with your husband? I don't know who you are. I don't know who you are. You better come here, come and correct this impression I just gave to my husband. What kind of problem is this now? I will suffer poverty, suffer training of children. I will cry every day. You will come and accuse me of sleeping with your husband again. Somebody I don't know. I don't know him. I don't know who she is.
I have suffered. And now you have suffered. Anyway, I deserve it. All these things are happening to me because I am now a poor man. I no longer have money.
Wait a minute, what are you insinuating? Would you say a thing like that? Are you insinuating that I'm cheating on you? Eh?
No, I'm not insinuating. I'm not insinuating anything, no. You hear me? Tell me. What about the party the other night? I'm asking you. What about NK's call the next morning?
With the call I answered, you should know that I did not do anything wrong that night.
I've heard you.
Listen, NK tried to introduce me to a Yahoo boy. And this young man offered me the sum of 500,000 naira just to spend the night with me. On our way to the hotel, my conscience wouldn't allow me to do it. I had to tell him to stop the car and I ran back home. What are you saying?
Tell me stories. Tell me what I don't know. Was I there? Was I there? Story. What upon a time. Time.
God, what have I done wrong? Just tell me exactly how I have wronged you. Is it by serving you? I have served you my whole life fervently. Did I do anything wrong? I am being accused of something I know nothing about. I am being labeled a cheat in a husband's house. Is it not better you just take my life instead of punishing me like this? Here I am being accused of something I did not do. And now you think I slept with a man? You think I would stoop so low as to sleep with another man? Ah, God. Just take my life instead of this one because I am tired, though. I am tired. I don't even know what else to do. Ah. Hey. Hey, Chibo. Take my life instead. Don't stop this punishment. I am tired. How else is a woman supposed to suffer? The things I'm supposed to do, I don't do them because I want to be a faithful wife. Because I want to serve you diligently. And you will still allow things like this to happen to me. Why do you punish me so much? Just kill me instead. Take my life. Take my life. Take my life. Oh, take my life. Take my life. Take my life.
Stop crying. Please. It's okay. Njide. Baby, listen to me. I trust you with all my life. I know the woman I got married to. I know you can never cheat on me. I wanted to be sure. Okay? Please don't cry anymore.
I don't know that woman, no.
Don't worry.
I don't know how.
As for that woman, I will make sure I take her to the police. Yes. For defamation of character, she must prove a point. She must prove her point. Yes. She must show us evidence.
I don't know that woman. I don't know her husband.
Don't come and spoil my wife's name.
I don't know.
I know my wife. I know who I got married to. It's okay now. It's okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Listen. Baby, I hope you're still not pained over our discussion last night. Please, I don't want you to be pained even a bit, please. Not one bit, please. See, let me tell you something. I know the woman I got married to. I know you inside out, okay? And I trust you with all my life.
It's okay. And thank you.
Baby, please. Keep being the woman that you are. Okay?
By the special grace of God, I will.
Thank you. Thank you. I'll take the kids to school now.
I need to pack up their food first. Princess! Come with your brother, oh. Oh, you've packed the lunchbox already?
Yes, ma'am.
You want to take care of yourself and take care of your brother, oh?
Okay.
Bye.
Mommy, bye.
Bye.
I'll be right back, okay? Take care.
Vicious woman, her cost is priceless. Vicious woman, tried and trusted. A vicious woman, Idoka. She is special, my dear. Oh, my love. A role model, oh, my dear. Oh, my love. She's a wife indeed, oh, my dear. Oh, my love. A woman of faith, a strong woman. She can.
This man, I been a guy go call you. I don't tire for you. I don't tire for this kind of work. Who they do so? Any small thing you go dey rest. You go work small, you go rest. Only me go dey do the whole work. I don't like this kind of thing they do.
Who you dey shout for? Who you dey shout for? Who you dey open eye for? Eh? I dey ask you. You never rest? Eh? At the rest you dey shout for me. Now I owe you make you not rest.
Now so I take rest.
I want you make you not rest. As you be machine. I don't tire the rest, you dey tell me say why the rest. Now you get my body. You my age mate. You know how many years I be? Take your time, oh. Just take your time. You know how many years I be? Eh?
We talk about work, you talk about seniority. If I start to the rest like you, I want to complete this work at the end of the day. I don't want to pay me. No, it's your own affect my own, no. I don't let guys what they do. More work, you gonna rest.
Wetin concern you. Wetin concern you.
Take time for this work, oh. I go change that for you, oh.
Now you dey talk say me take time. I be human being, I no be machine. I want to use my own to spoil your own. Eh? I be human being, I no be machine. When human be tired, e dey rest. I don't tire, I dey rest. Come, no shout, don't put eye for me, oh. No, just put eye for me, oh. We not be mate, oh. We not be mates. You dey hear me so?
That be the point.
Man, not show you.
You dey point me.
My true character.
Wait, that be the point. I go change that for you, oh.
Wetin you
I go wound you, oh.
Wetin you go do?
What I go do, Abi? What I go do?
Hello. Yes, this is she. Isikine. How did this happen now? How? Oh, okay, I'm on my way there. Let me just lock up my shop. Oh, okay. I said I'm coming there now. I'm coming now. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, Hey, Jesus. How do I pick up my children from school? What do I? Hey, Jesus. What kind of problem is this? What kind of problem is this? Hey, Jesus. Oh. Where do I see Keke? Keke! Keke! Chiwo, my husband. Who did this to you now, eh? Who did this to you? What happened? Sorry.
This is my co-laborer at the site.
Your co-laborer? What were you people dragging that they had to hit you this bad, eh?
I don't know. We weren't dragging anything. He just wanted to kill me, eh?
Yeah. Oh, Chimo, they want to kill my husband for me, eh? No, sorry. How do you feel? Sorry.
My head aches anyway.
I know. Ndo, sorry. Hey! Oh, Chimo. I need to go and pick up the children from school. It's getting late already.
That's true. They'll be worried by now.
Okay. So you know they'll be worried. Anayo, why don't you listen to your wife? Eh? I blame you for all this. If you had stayed with me in the shop and we're running the shop together, what will I be looking for in the hospital? Go for Immerse. Why can't you just listen to me?
Babe, please. This is not time to accost blames, okay? Just go get the kids. They'll be waiting for you by now.
So how am I supposed to leave you here alone? I can't be there and here at the same time.
Don't worry about me. I really don't need any assistance now. At least I can walk, I can go to the toilet, I can go get what I want to. I mean, the only thing I want you to get for me is food. Just get me food and look at the kids, okay?
Alright, no problem. Sorry.
This is too much on me, Gina. This is too much on us, my God. You promise me that we not allow things that are bigger than us to come to us. What have I done?
This is too much for me, Father Lord. I just hope I don't lose my life in this whole journey. husband doesn't listen. Now look at me. Just look at me on the road, running up and down this busy road. Now I have left my shop, spending so much money on keke. Money I would have used for other things. Now I have to spend on hospital bills. Father Lord, this is too much, oh. This is too much for one person to bear. It is just too much.
What has done against me? Tomorrow go better. After the rainfall, the sun must shine. Upon your neck, Kotero Nenua, Ogono Yekoterea. Dibe, Nakosiade, Uweru Erika, Afofa Kariga Wake.
My darling, I need to go back to the shop. I need you to take care of the house and take care of your little brother. Biko, if anybody comes knocking at the door, don't open the door to anybody except your father and I. You know go?
Yes, Mom.
Hold the key. You heard what I said. Don't open the door for anybody. Have you heard me?
Okay, Mom. But Mom, where is our daddy?
The thing is, your daddy is still at work. But I'll go there and meet him. We'll come back home together. Have you heard me? And if you are hungry, you know where to take your food. Yes. Your food and your younger brother's food. Don't open the door for anybody. You know go?
Yes, I know. I've heard you, Mom. I won't open the door for anybody.
That is my little mommy in the house. I need you to take care of the house, so I need to rush back to the shop. But you let me run.
This is too much on us. My God, you promised me that we not allow things that are bigger than us.
David, are you hungry?
What have I done to deserve this pain?
I really don't feel like going home to meet the kids like this.
So where do you want to stay? Here? Now we're already owing 50,000 naira for the drugs and everything they gave to you here. One night here is 20,000 naira for bed. Where are we going to get that kind of money? I don't have that kind of money. We would have to manage. Biko.
It's okay. We'll go home. Worst come to worst, I will just tell them that I had an accident. It will be good for them to know that I fought with someone and I hit my head with a bucket. It's not good for the children to know that.
It's okay. Let's just wait for the doctor to come and discharge you.
Okay.
Do you want anything?
One day, God will come for you. Amam bajugodara, iga bugagi, mana jisike nige wemeri, Mustafa come, it's a victory, it's a show, at the last.
Neighbor, Mama Princess, what happened to your husband?
My neighbor na keke and trailer. Trailer jammed the keke when in the inside.
Keke? Hey, thank God for his deliverance.
My brother, thank God. Thank you,
Papa Princess, sorry, yeah?
Thank you very much.
Just take it, Jeje. God will heal you.
Amen.
Just take it, Jeje. Hi. Wow. Sorry.
Thank you.
Human beings can fail, but God can never fail. weeping cometh only in the night, but joy comes in the morning.
Who is there?
It's mommy, princess.
It's mommy and daddy. Yes, mommy and daddy.
Open the door, princess.
Daddy!
Hey, how are you, my beautiful children?
Sorry.
Hey, my head, though.
Daddy, what happened to my daddy? And what happened to you?
Don't worry, he's fine. Daddy had an accident.
Accident?
Yes, but he'll be okay. I don't want you to bother yourself about it. Have you heard me?
Daddy, sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you, my lovely children. Thank you.
Biko, run down to Mama at that shop. Tell her to give you a bottle of water. Tell her I'll give her money later.
Daddy, sorry.
Thank you. Oh, thank you, my beautiful children.
Princess.
Thank you,
What did she give to you to eat? Rice. Go to your father. Let me drop the bag inside.
Upon your neck, Kotero Neno, Magona Yekotere, Ibe, Nakosiade.
Sorry. Be careful now. It's hot. It's painful. Okay, do it. Yeah, do it now. Do it. Do it now. Do it now. Not scream. Do it now. Do it.
Sorry.
Oh. Babe, I swear I will never go back to that job. I'm sorry I didn't listen to you.
Now you're apologizing. You don't know this is medicine after death. Did I not tell you before? Didn't I mention it? Sorry.
Hey! It's painful.
Sorry.
On my neck, my chest, my waist.
It's not like I didn't talk about this. It's not like I did, but you would not listen to me.
Babe, I just want to say thank you for everything. Thank you for everything you've been doing for us. I really appreciate that. Thank you.
The only way I can accept this, your appreciation or this, your thanks and whatever, is for you to always listen to me. Get this stubbornness away. I don't know why it is. You cannot even listen to anything I say. I give you an advice, you don't listen. Biko, just try and listen to me, and I'm very certain that in future we won't have battles like this anymore. Please.
I promise. From today onwards, I will always listen to your advice. I promise you.
For yourself in this my condition. Let not the devil be glorified, but let your name be glorified in this my case.
Sorry, Ogaju. Please don't be offended. Is your name Joe?
Former boss wife.
Hi! I said it. You know when I was just walking down the road, I was looking at the person. I said, this is Ogaju, the same Joe that time. It's just that your hair, it just looks different now.
Former boss wife.
It is me, Njideka.
What are you doing here?
I should be asking you what you are doing in my environment. What are you doing here?
I actually I want to buy one property down there. So I want to see if it is suitable for what I'm buying it for. Yes, I want to build like a supermarket kind of mall. Yeah.
You want to buy property?
Yes.
Build supermarket?
It's nothing.
Yay. Ogajo, you that used to run errands for my husband before, you are the one buying properties, buying land, building supermarkets. While my husband is there languishing, and he said you are the same person that advised him to do that business that is keeping him where he is now.
Wait.
Eh?
So Anayo told you that I persuaded him into that business?
Yes, that is what he said.
Why is Anayo like this now? Why is Anayo like this?
What?
You know what? I'm in a hurry, eh? Try and see me maybe tomorrow or next. Anytime that you're free. We need to talk.
Hey,
very important.
That's next tomorrow. He cannot wait. Why don't we go to your office now?
No, I'm rushing somewhere now. I have a business meeting, so we can see tomorrow. Just relax. We can see anytime.
Oh, okay. You know what? Why don't you go for your meeting? Then I'll come to your office later. Oh, Biko.
It's okay, no problem.
Yeah. Is this your car?
One of my car.
One of your car?
One of my car. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. You are just surprised.
Joe, one of your cars?
One of my cars, yeah.
Hey! Okay, no problem, eh? I'll come to your office. Please, where's your office?
At the bank. Same office. You know, the bank employed me. I'm now the managing director of the business. So you can still meet me. Same office. Yes.
Okay, no problem. I'll be there, eh?
No problem.
Eh? Your car?
One of my cars.
So what do you know? Oh?
Why are you surprised? Can you stop this?
Don't give up.
All right.
Don't
Bye-bye.
One day, God will come for you.
Eh? Look at Joe. Joe is now working with the bank that took over my husband's business. Same person that made my husband lose the business to the bank. Are you sure he's not the one behind everything? I mean, right from the onset. The first day my husband talked about this business, he was calling Joe. Joe this, Joe that. Joe said this, Joe said that. How is it now a coincidence that same Joe is the one running the same office with the bank people that took it as collateral? I need to go there now to see things for myself. I need clarification. I need answers.
But joy comes in the morning. Our God is able, our God is faithful. Nothing is impossible with Him. No matter how tough this road it is, don't give up. It's your beginning. One day, your God will come for you. Don't give up.
So these people even changed the name of my husband's company to their own name. Is this how life is? You may make one. Pizza.
Madam, who they find?
I won't see Ogajo.
You know say they come?
No, you don't know sir they come. You know say my grandmama they come. Oga beg open gate is the one that said I should come.
Akwanye nekotera nenu wa Ogono yekotere ya Dibe na kosi ade Uweru eriga Afufa kariga wake Uweru eriga What has done against me Emesi oganimba Tomorrow go better After the rainfall the sun must shine. Akwanye nekotera nenu wa Ogono yekotere ya
Madam, you followed me almost immediately.
Ogajo, I had to follow you immediately. What will I be waiting for? I just noticed that you people even removed my husband's picture.
Yes, we had to. The business does not belong to him anymore.
Eh? Hey!
Please have it.
Mama, we see it though. Eh? Even when I was coming inside, I saw that you people even changed the business name.
Of course, we had to. The business is no longer belong to your husband.
Yeah. Okay. If the business does not belong to my husband, why did the bank retain you people? I mean, why didn't they get new staff?
I can explain.
No. That is why Big will explain. Because I don't understand it.
You know, banks are profit-oriented organizations. They embark on a business that gives them money. The reason they agreed to give your husband such loan was because your husband has house, cars, and other businesses.
Okay. Okay. Another thing that's been bothering me is the fact that you persuaded my husband to do this business. Why? Even when he told you that he wasn't interested, because I particularly told him not to do it, but he said you insisted. Why?
You see, let me tell you something. Your husband is a big liar. Yes. He thinks he's wiser than every other person. I categorically told him that this business is too beautiful to be true. That could be a scam. But he said it's a lie, that I'm lying, I should go and sit down. It was only after the billions he was going to make from the business.
Hey!
And that's blinded his sense of reasoning.
Samuel, eh? See him suffering now. Just look at what is happening to us. Eh?
Oh my goodness.
Hi! Chimo.
Please, let's go to a good place because we can't discuss everything here. There's camera everywhere. Okay?
Oh.
There's a joint close by there, so let's go.
Oh, no. No problem.
Yeah. You like the food?
It's nice.
You see, don't listen to your husband. It's actually the cause of his downfall.
Okay, I've heard you. But my question is, why can't you help my husband? Since you're now, living big, you are now the managing director of that company. Why can't you help him? My husband is suffering. Remember when he was there, he was very nice to you. Look at how fresh you are looking. Your boss is still looking like somebody who's...
Former boss.
Former boss. He still doesn't matter. All I'm saying is that you should try and help that man. You need to see my husband. As I speak to you now, my husband is in the hospital. Because he started working as a job man in a building site, and one of the boys there nearly killed him. Bikona, if there's anything you can do for my husband, I'm begging you. Please, just help him. Oh, Biko.
So that's why I decided to call you out. For us to discuss one-on-one.
So I'm listening, no? Thank you.
You see, ever since I started working with my former boss, I've been admiring you. Yeah. admire you so much. In fact, I was even so jealous of my boss. You are very beautiful. You don't deserve all this. You are such a beautiful woman. You don't deserve all this. You don't. Look how you're suffering. Look how your skin. All you need is a soft life. I can get a new apartment for you in GRA. Furnish it to your taste. Yes. Then bring back your children to their former schools. Get a driver that will be taking them to school. Open a good mall for you where you can be earning money and not all these petty shops. Like, come on, you're bigger than that. Take you on a trip to Dubai. That's only if you can say yes to my proposal. I'll do all that for you. How much is money? I can't be there watching you suffering. It's not possible.
Hey!
Huh?
Jideka, Ihujugwanya. You have seen 99. Ekwanuju. Joe, you that don't know your left from your right. You are color riots. You are the one now telling me, Mama Jideka, that you want to sleep with me before helping me. Joe, Ngoma.
Listen, that's a big slap on my face. I am no longer the Joe that receives salary from your husband. I am not big. I'm a big boy. Huh? You don't get it. Anyway, I know it's not something you can just decide to take a decision. Go home. Think about it and get back to me. This is 100,000 naira. Your transport back home. And if you decide to change your mind, you actually know where to find me. See you.
Hey! Yay! Joe? Hey! This world is something else. Punch. Hey! 100,000 naira just for transport. Look one of Joe. Joe of yesterday is now enjoying my husband's position, to the point that he wants to sleep with me before he can help me. I don't blame him, Sha. I don't blame him. I blame my husband for being very stubborn and unreasonable. Now he has lost everything to Joe. He will soon lose his wife to him as well, since he is now the new boss.
The sun must shine.
Njide, what are you thinking?
You're asking me what I'm thinking. And I also, you look me in the face and lie to me. Don't even act surprised though, because I know everything. You told me Joe was the one who persuaded you to go into that devilish business. Yet the young man warned you not to do it. He told you the risk involved. You said no. That that you must die inside there. And you now lied to me. Anayo.
Wait a minute. Joe told you that?
No, he told your grandmother.
Wait. Why would you lie against me? By the way, where did you see him? We'll come to that. Babe, listen to me. I was the one who told Joe that I wasn't interested in the business anymore. Because of what you saw in your dream. But he kept pestering me to go on with the business as if my whole life depended on it. Now we turned around to lie against me? And you believe?
No, I wouldn't believe. Just be there, be turning your hand like electric blender. No, just be turning it. Let me make this clear to you now. Joe, you see now, is now the MD of your company. Yes! The bank that took over the company made him a shareholder in that company. And he's busy buying properties up and down. You know, Neve, you will soon fly. No, you will soon fly. Be turning hand like an electric blender. Sit down here. You even had ghost to even lie to me. Look at where you brought me because I don't even want to get upset though. I don't want to get upset with you.
What do you mean? You mean?
Please, I need you to go inside. Dress up so that we can go and see Joe.
What did you just say?
Exactly what you heard me say.
I'm not interested.
What do you mean you are not interested? Your former manager is out there, sitting on top of money, and you are here suffering, and you are telling me you do not need help or you are not interested. How is that even possible?
I don't need his help.
What do you mean you don't need his help? Cheregodo, is this pride talking? Oga, you need help, oh. Nam, you need help, irrespective of where it's coming from. You do need help.
Can we just change this topic?
We will not change it, except you're hiding something from me.
Something like what?
Something like maybe him saying the truth. That he told you not to go into this business, but you blatantly refused, and now you're turning it against him. What is it?
Okay. I'll go inside and change so we can go to his office.
Better.
Tomorrow go better. After the rainfall, the sun must shine. Upon your neck, go terra nenoa. Magona ye go terra. Dibe na kosia di uweru erika. Afafa kariga wake. The suffering is too much. What has done against what has done against. Let me see your garden. When will it tomorrow? After the rainfall.
Yeah. Please open. Huh? Open for us, please. Oga, I don't go against the company rules though. The new management say, on no account, I go allow you enter this office.
How can you be talking to him like that? Do you realize the person you are talking to is the same person that built this place and owned everything inside?
I know. That before. I get them before, no be property again at all.
I don't just blame you. I don't blame you at all. Imagine you're a man talking to. Oh, you're even locking the gate.
Sunday, I want to see Joe. Is he around? Sunday, are you not the one I'm talking to?
I knew it. I knew it would come to this. This is exactly what I'm trying to avoid. I knew it was going to come up.
It's okay. I didn't know they were going to react like this. I wouldn't have asked you to come here. I'm sorry. Oh, Biko. Anyway, let's just go. It's okay. Let's go.
Babe, me.
It's okay. It's okay, let's go. Go.
Sunday, you are snubbing me. You are snubbing my wife. Eh? Okay.
I know.
No problem.
Okay. It's okay. Just look at how you are talking to somebody that employed you before. You are very, very disrespectful. This is the same man that you were serving before. You are very, very disrespectful. What is before? What do you mean by before? You are locking your guy outside. What you judge on?
Tomorrow will be better. After the rainfall, the sun must shine.
This guy. Oh my God. He's cute. Wow. He's cute and he has money. Oh, geez. That's so fine. Wow. Yes. Wow.
Nikki.
Man of the moment. I even said I was going to call you, but you're here already.
You know, I smell good things from afar. I had this urge to come and see you. Like you have something nice for me.
Of course, I always have something nice. Yeah. Her name is Sugar. I give you sugar today. Go and enjoy.
Sugar. What a beautiful name. Sugar, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I am very well, thank you. Sugar, can you turn around? Let me see you.
Yes. Just do the needful and she's all yours.
No, that is not a problem. Okay? We just need to get going already. Okay. Sugar?
Okay. Sugar, make sure you take care of him. He's a very good man. He will treat you well. After I finish with him today, you know, Sugar is not just a name, but a taste. I trust you, my girl. I know what you can do.
Yeah?
Let's go. Send it to. Let me not wait. I don't want to wait at all. Go and enjoy. Have fun. So, is this your car?
Yeah, that is me. That's me.
So tell me, where are you taking me?
Anyways, from here right now, I am taking you to one of the best hotels in town, okay? From there, I want to give you a treat first. Wow. Then we can now move to my hotel room, okay?
I love that sound. Yeah. Treat.
I love what I'm seeing too. Let me take you to the car. Okay. Let's get into the car, okay? I'll take care of you.
Honey, I don't know how we're going to go about this, but the shop is totally empty. Eh? We have few, in fact, nothing left in the shop.
That was the point I was trying to make the other time. I told you. let me be looking for money through another source. You said no. Because I know that there's no way we'll not run this show down if both of us sit here.
I don't understand. Are you not blaming me? That I tried to stop you from doing that useless job that will take your life. You are telling me that you're not trying to put it on me.
I'm not putting the blame on you.
That is exactly what you are doing.
No, you're getting it wrong. I'm just stating the facts. I understand me. Understand?
Next time when I see something that is not good,
No, that's not what I mean.
But that is it.
It doesn't mean that you're not.
Ma'am, what is it? What is it? Why are you back from school by this time and why are you crying?
We came back on our own.
You came back on your own?
Yes.
Why?
They chased us out from school because we are owing our school fees.
Cheregodo, you mean your headmistress chased you, like she asked you to go home because you are owing school fees? So what if they had kidnapped you or a car hit you on the road? She could not wait for us to come and pick you back from the school. On Apwala. Why couldn't she? You know what? Move. Your headmistress must explain to me why she sent you home without waiting for us to come and pick you up from school. Let's go.
Baby, take it easy.
Don't tell me to take it easy. Papa, don't tell me to take it easy.
Please don't make trouble out of it when you get here, please.
I want to know why you sent my kids home without waiting for me or the father to come and pick them up. Why will you do a thing like that?
Because our children are still paying school fees.
So? Ego name was school fees. No, how much is the school fees that you had to risk their life? What if a reckless driver had hit them on their way home? Or they were kidnapped? You know how hard it is for women to give birth to children these days. These little ones I have, you want to kill them for me? Eh? Why didn't you tell me the money when I brought them that they were still owing school fees? That you had to send them home like that? Why?
Last Friday, I announced to everyone to inform their parents to come and pay school fees because this week there will be a school fees drive. And I'm sure your kids informed you. When I saw them this morning, I thought you've done the needful. Only for me to find out that you've not paid the school fees. So, I sent them home.
You did send them home. Just see how you are shining. But you said your heart is evil. You are a wicked woman. You are very wicked. You are
Please, I won't have you insult me in my office. Listen, let me tell you. I am not the cause of your poverty. Yes, it's not my fault that you are poor. It's just two ways. Either you pay the school fees or you take them home and become the teacher.
More poverty. Yes, more poverty. You will not die a good death. Me, poverty. If not for condition, what will I be looking for your useless school? No, what will I be doing here? You are here sending my children home because you are not married. You don't have kids. You don't know what it is. You are just...
My friend, shut up!
Shut up!
My friend!
Do I blame you?
Am I the cause of the problem? Look at how you are!
Have you seen the school my children used to attend before?
I've been getting from the property. My friend, get out of my office. Look at you. Go with your stinking poverty-looking dress. Frustrated woman being. Did that cause your problem? Did that cause you poor? Come and leave my office, shameless woman. You can't even pay school fees. Can you imagine? Come here to express her bitterness to me. Nonsense.
I hear that her husband used to be very rich and they are living in GRA and their children attend the big school in town.
I don't care what or where they wear, what or where or what. I begin and before the property. Listen, it's either she pay me my money or go home with her children.
I can feel the pain in her voice. She's going through a lot.
Madam, please, free me with this woman's pattern. I am not the cause of their problem. I did not inflict her with any poverty. Please.
Sorry.
She should just go with her wahala back. Am I the cause of her problem?
Sorry.
Better you can go. She was here earlier ranting like a mad woman. Frustration all over her body. Wearing poverty on her neck like necklace. Mad woman.
Headmistress Owonye. You stop asking me to calm down. What kind of headmistress will send children out of school without waiting for the parents to come and pick them up? What if they had kidnapped you people or a reckless driver hit one of you? So? Headmistress is your no. Because of school fees. School fees is how much, Kwano? How much is the money? That she could not wait for me to come to the school and come and pick you people. She had to chase you people out of school. Because don't, it's okay, let's go. Back one way ahead, mistress. What nonsense head mistress.
Nebo, what happened?
What happened with?
I mean, your children you took to school, why are you bringing them back?
Because what is your business?
Oh, no, as your good neighbor, I say, let me just ask.
And I'm telling you as your bad neighbor, what is your business? Eh?
Sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Why can't you people just mind your business?
As your good neighbor.
Did you ask when I was taking? I don't even know why I'm
my mouth will not put me for trouble.
It will not put you in trouble in Jesus' name. Listen, go. Listen, I'm going out to get your school fees now. Make sure you don't open the door to anybody, except your father and I. I will make sure I get your school fees today, okay? Don't take off your school uniform. I'll be back now. And take good care of your brother. I hope you remember what I said. Don't open the door to anybody, okay? Take care of your younger brother. I'll be back, okay?
The suffering is too much.
I beg you in the name of God. My children need to go back to school. I don't have any money to send them back to school, please. The children didn't do anything. They didn't commit any crime coming into this world like other children. Biko, please. Please.
How much is their school fees?
It's 20,000 naira each. So for the two of them, it's 40,000.
Oh my goodness. So you actually cry because of ordinary 40,000 naira.
God, if I have the money, I won't be crying now. We've been feeding from my shop. We pay bills from the shop. As I'm talking to you, everything in the shop is beginning to go down. Biko, please.
This is 100,000. If you accept my proposal, the money and all the promises will be yours. Trust me.
So if I don't, you won't give me the money?
If you need the money, it's so urgent. You know what to do. Cards to play.
Why are you this wicked? Why are you doing this? You're a bastard. God will judge you.
Oh my.
Jisike nige wemmeri Mustafa come It's a shame It's a show At the last Ebele miri Anatoma jugodara Ike abugagi Mana jisike Ige wemmeri
What am I even going home to do? With an empty hand? What do I tell my children?
Human beings can fail, but God can never fail. Weeping comet only in the night. but joy comes in the morning. Our God is able, our God is faithful. Nothing is impossible with Him. No matter how tough this road it is, don't give up. It's your beginning. One day, your God will come for you.
This is what you want, right?
No, stop.
No, do what you want.
There's cameras everywhere, please. No, stop. We can go to a hotel or my house. Please, let's go now. Okay? There's cameras everywhere. Do you want to implicate me?
Then let's go.
Good.
Don't give up. Don't relent. One day, God will come for you. Amajugodara, Iga Bugagi, Mana Jisike Nige Wemeri, must overcome. It's a shame, it's a sure, and the last.
Where exactly are you taking me?
There's a good hotel down there. Let's go there.
A good hotel. Joe, you are a wicked person. So because you know I need this money badly, that is why you are doing this. Knowing full well that I am your friend's, your colleague's wife, you still want to sleep with me before giving me this money. You see my God in heaven, God will judge you. If it is will that my children will not go to school, that they will remain at home, then so be it. You see that your money, perish with it. God punish you.
Come back here. Come back here.
Don't give up. Don't relent. One day, God will come for you. Amajugodara, Iga Bugagi, Mana Jisike Nige Wemeri.
God, this is too much. Oh. This is too much. It's too much. Oh. You said you will not allow any temptation that is bigger than us to come to us. What have I done? What have I done to deserve this? Tell me, God, what have I done? I know you showed me this in my dream, but I still prayed. I prayed and I fasted for days. I don't deserve this, oh. I don't deserve this, God. I don't deserve it. I don't deserve it.
Madam, stop crying, eh? It's not the end of life, eh? See, everybody gets problem. You see, if I tell you my own problem, you will leave your problem and have pity on me. So stop crying. Eh? It's not the end of life, eh? You hear, madam?
I am just tired, oh God, I don't tire. Let me commit the worst sin. What did I do? What have I done? I don't tire.
No matter how tough this road it is, don't give up.
You gave me these children not to pay for the mistake of their father. You gave me these children not for me to become a harlot, to take care of them. Father, I know you can take care of these children. Make a name for yourself on their behalf, Father. Let your name alone be glorified and not the name of the devil. Father, please show yourself. Show your children mercy, Father. Lord of mercy, compassion. Look with pity upon me. Father, let me call thee Father till the child returns to you. Jesus, Lord, I ask for mercy. Let me not implore in vain. All my sins I now detest them. Never will I sin again. Jesus, Lord, let me not implore in vain. All my sins I now detest To think that your boy Joe actually wanted to sleep with me if I had allowed him. I couldn't just leave them without the money. I only had to go back there when I saw the money, you know, the 100,000 naira. That's the only reason I went there. Because I couldn't fathom coming back home to meet my children empty-handed and hungry. That money was a big temptation to me, but thank God for his spirit in me. That spirit comforted me and asked me to leave that place, and I did that immediately. Ha. Oh.
Joe. Joe has never been a good fellow. For him to lie against me speaks volume. And for them to make him the MD of that company speaks more volume. But you know what? I will bounce back.
Amen.
This is not my end.
Amen. Amen.
I will bounce back and they will see.
Amen. Amen. Talking about bouncing back, I would suggest that you look for, you know, a job, an industrial job, like an office work, something that you earn salary at the end of the month. You know, something that demands mental capacity and not physical strength. We really need to get that going because, my love, the shop is going down now. Everything in the shop is empty. And with the way things are going, we might just wake up one morning. Sam, everything in the shop is gone. I'm telling you.
Well, I have spoken with my friends and family members to help in search for such a job. I'm hoping they get one soon.
It's okay. Everything will be fine. I beg you in the name of God, all I'm looking for is 30,000 naira. Please. I promise you by the special grace of God, I'll pay you back next week. I need my children to go back to school again. Oh, Biko, please. Please, I'm begging you.
Stand up. You see, I really wish I could help because I don't have any money with me right now. I wish you met me yesterday. I could have helped, like now I don't have anything. I'm so sorry.
Okay, even if it's half of the money, 15,000. Please, I'm begging you. My children needs to go back to school. I promise you, I'll pay you back.
I'm sorry. I wish I could help. I don't have anything.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Don't give up, don't relate. One day, God will come for you.
Oh, please stop. You're so funny. Oh my God. Are you serious? Okay. Baby, let me call you back. Someone just entered my shop. I'll call you back. What are you doing here?
Please, I want to apologize for the way I spoke to you the last time over the phone. I swear to God, I don't know what came over me. I'm sorry. I won't pick up. But I have a pressing need right now. My children have been sent out of school. I don't even have any money to pay their fees. Please. Just help me. I want my children to go back to school. Pico.
Njide, see what you've reduced yourself to. See how unkempt and dirty you look. Eh? A big girl like you, see how you look. See how you look.
Okay, it's the condition I found myself.
What condition? What condition is your husband the first to lose money to fraudsters? Eh? Why don't you want to make something out of your condition? Stop being naive and unreasonable, please.
Ejunchuku, where you begging you. I don't have any money. I just want my children to go back to school. Please, I'm begging you. Because what? If you can help me with 30,000, the exact amount I'm looking for is actually 40,000. But anything you give to me, I'll look for a way to add up and pay their fees. Please.
Ordinary 40,000 naira you don't have. See how beautiful you are looking. You don't have ordinary 40,000 naira. You should be ashamed of yourself. Shame on you! Hey!
Okay, because
hey!
Okay, please now. Please. Okay, people. I don't have any money. People. Please, I'm begging you. That is it. That is the receipt to my children's school fees. Biko, I use God's name to beg you. Don't try it. If you had sent them home and something happened to them, will you be seated here? Or will you see school fees? Biko, do. If my children are going school fees next time, when I come to school, I'll pick them and take them home. Don't send my children home again like that. I have said my piece.
Now that you pay your children's school fees, did this guy come down? Eh? Come on, 40,000 naira, you're shouting like a mad woman. Come on, go with your poverty friendly gown. You paid 40,000 naira, so what? Are you the first to pay school fees? Nonsense. Hurry!
Okay, I will give you the 40,000 naira.
Eh? Hey, thank you so much. God bless you. Oh, thank you very much.
Njide, let me ask you a very simple question. Why don't you want to do the things other women are doing so that you can start enjoying life like them?
Yeah. That would be going against my church doctrine. And I don't want to break my marriage vows as well.
What is there? What is there to cheat on your husband? If that's the only solution to your predicament, why won't you cheat?
Hey, Mbakwa, it's a sin against God and humanity.
God, right? God. So where is God now that you are suffering and in need of help? Where is God? Why can't he help you since he knows that you serve him, you worship him, and you don't want to sin against him?
I can't question the will of God. It's not right. I can't.
Njide, can't you see that this God and Satan thing are all illusion? Can't you see it? Man is God to man. Same way, man is Satan to man. So, heaven and hell are all here on earth. The way you are suffering now, you are living in hell. Why those people enjoying are living in heaven? So why would you prefer to choose hell over heaven?
God's time is the best. I cannot question God.
God's time is the best, right? Can you remember when we were in school? And then those other girls, they sneak out with men to parties and club, and then we. Can you remember? Those girls, they are all living very large now. And then they will be saying, time shall tell, time shall tell. Look at us now. Look at us. They are enjoying in their husbands' houses. They are married to big men, billionaires, big businessmen. And here we are. So look at you.
Thank you for all you say, but I don't envy any of those girls. I don't.
If you would tell yourself the truth, you would know that you envy them. Yes, you envy them. See, I've learned my lesson. I'm no longer in that time shall tell slogan. See, make out of life everything you need to make out of life now that you are alive.
Madam! Where have your mind been now?
Hey.
I've been calling you since!
No vex. What do you want by?
Give me my usual noodles.
Hey. You know, Dale. Now tomorrow I go get them.
I don't understand.
I don't get that usual noodles.
You don't have it.
I don't get them.
Yeah. Madam, your shop is gradually going down now. What is going on? I wonder when you will replace all these goods. What is going on now?
Just come back tomorrow.
I'm even confused. Oh, if you know you are tired, then just close your shop and go and stay in the house. What is all this? Do you know the stress I passed through coming down from there, past all these shops to come here to buy something, and you will be telling me, Madam, I beg. It's okay, I fed you. Bye.
Don't give up, don't relent. One day, God will come for you.
Okay, fine. If you can't hook up with men, what about women? At least no one have to suspect you.
Enki. Women. Enki, are you trying to introduce me to lesbianism?
If that is what you call it, a lot of rich women, societal high-class ladies will pay you well. They are ready to bring you out of your poverty. All you need to do is just to free your body to them anytime they need it.
I can't go back to the hospital without results. I don't need to watch my son die. Nowhere to go to anymore. Even if I start begging people for alms in the streets, will I ever raise up to that amount? It's of no need. Let the will of God be done.